I had a go at making the raggy edge quilt that you see behind me. It is a great way of using up scraps of wadding, but I did find that with all those clipped edges to clip, that my hands actually ached quite a bit afterwards. So it got me thinking, what else could I do that uses up all those bits of wadding that I have left? And I devised this cupcake quilt. I've called it that because I've used the cupcake motif. You're actually going to only be stitching through 2 layers of fabric because the wadding is smaller. The wadding is fixed already with your free motion quilting. And I'm going to use, as I do with most of my stitch and flip, I like to use the fact that the down grain of your backing fabric does not give. And we have quilted in the opposite direction as well. I stitched and flipped with the straight lines, and then the quilting comes from me, and I've just, with the walking foot, done this slightly wavy line in the opposite direction.